For this class, we will be setting up our system with Eclipse. And for that, what you're supposed to do is you will come on Google and select download Eclipse. And here you will select Eclipse downloads. Here, download the packages. And over here, you would see the Eclipse installer now includes this JRE. So based on your system, whether if it is a Windows system, you will select x86-64. If it is a Mac OS version, you will select x86-64. Make sure that you are not running anything on iPad. It's just limited to your laptops. All of this, because then you would have compatibility issues. So my system is Windows x86. So I will download this exe. So it will start downloading on my machine. And here is that icon, which you will see on the right-hand side, which is telling me, okay, this downloading, and we'll wait for it so that it gets downloaded. As soon as it gets downloaded, it should be on your downloads, and I click on my file explorer. Here is the downloads, and here is that JRE Win64. I will double click on it, and it will show you a specific application which would be running on your system. It's something like this. Here you will select Eclipse IDE for Java developer and then click install. So it will start installing on your system. And let's see. Till the time it gets downloaded. So if you see, it will take some time, but it will allow you to have your Eclipse configured on your machine. And for the rest of the course, we will be using this Eclipse. There is another application that you can use for writing code. There are several applications, but we will be particularly using this application. So now it has downloaded. I click on launch. So there would be this IDE which start getting opened up. And here it will ask you to select a specific workspace. It depends upon whatever folder you want to store. Currently, by default, it will be storing all the programs that I would be writing under C, users, VGT16, Eclipse workspace. And if I'll click on launch, it should be able to launch. And I'm getting this error because I already had Eclipse earlier on my system. So it is asking me that it was written on an older version. Do you want to update with the new version? I'll just say continue. And it is loading on my system, and just wait. And here is that specific window that you should be getting. On the right, on the leftmost side is the package explorer where we would be writing certain program. I don't want to install anything, so I'll just don't ask me. Over here, this is that package explorer where you would be creating multiple packages, and then we would be writing some programs over here. Once again, all of this would be explained in the later classes, but I wanted you to make sure that you have your Eclipse workspace ready on your system. I'll share another recording so that you know how to start with algorithms and which would be due this specific week. Thank you, everyone.